multiple destinations and dancing with their nightclub noir. Their signature all spa is perfect for a day of pampering.
What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. As you saw earlier, just left the dealership. I'm not one to like really go to the dealership, but whatever, you know, it is what it is. So basically I was changing my spark plugs during the week, and you know, there's 6, and then there was 3 easy ones right under the intake tube, and then there's 3 like super hard ones under the intake manifold. Like, I almost like had it, and I ended up stripping an Allen bolt. And so I was just like, you know what? I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'ma just take it, see if they could just drill it and pull it out and then replace it. And then I had a recall anyways that I've been getting like hit up about for a while now. So I just kind of just said, whatever, I'm gonna do it all in one go. Honestly, they charged me a little bit, but they're still hooking me up in a way, because they didn't charge me what they should have been charging me. Whatever. Shout out to Lexus of Riverside. Hey, and actually this is my first time getting a rental. I've never had a rental before, and I had a couple choices. My first choice was the RC, the second choice was the GS, and then my third choice was the ES, just to kind of see how they are. They didn't have the RC, so I ended up in the GS. And honestly, this car is stupid smooth. Like, I didn't really hear what year I got. I'm gonna check once I get out, but I definitely, this thing is nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun in the GS. You know, if you can't just rent a car and not like really use it to its potential. But we're still gonna try to take it easy, all right, guys? As much as we possibly can. There's definitely a lot more than what I'm used to in the IS, especially because it's a 250. So let's pop this thing in sport and see what she got, yeah? Alright, let's change it up to sport mode. Oh, okay, it's a lot more touchy. Definitely a lot more touchy. As you can see, it's traffic. I gotta wait for it to open up so I can open up. Now, this thing's hella touchy. Like, I like can press down like such a tiny bit and it's pretty responsive. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like I'm doing this kind of speed. So that's how smooth this is. It's crazy to me. Like, all these newer cars are so freaking smooth. It's really hard to tell, you know, how fast you're actually going. You could like totally not even be paying attention and be like doing 90 to 100 easily. Man, there's too many cars. I can't freaking put my foot on the pedal. Okay, so apparently I was just in Sport, and this is Sport Plus. I backed away just a little bit, so I got a little bit of room to open up a little bit. Let's see. Oh man, it sounds really good for stock. I'm not gonna lie to you. And it's really, it's pretty quick. Obviously, if you added a couple things, it'd be a lot more quicker. I'd even think like more responsive. But not bad. That's one good looking butt. Okay, so first thing, I cut my hair. Just gonna go ahead and say it. I cut my hair. the carrot top is gone. Curls are still there, but just not as much. I just wanted to get that out of the way. Now, I wasn't able to film me getting the car back and like kind of like going over and checking everything, but I did check everything after the dealer had replaced the bolt and drilled it out, and they replaced the airbags. Like I said, the only reason I went to a dealership is because I still had the recall and the rental was gonna be free, and I figure why not, you know, get that fixed since I, you know, effed it up myself anyway, so whatever. Yeah, so I was waiting on these two parts during the week, and I ended up getting a roof spoiler and some new tail lights. So we're gonna get rid of these stock, which I honestly, they're not bad tail lights. I actually like these. These are really nice, but I like these better. They look a little bit newer than these, so I ended up going with the Vland tail lights. I mean, I also have the Vland headlights, so I figure, you know, why not? Just, they look good, good price. Anyways, so let's go ahead and open these. Let's look at the roof spoiler first, because I actually ended up getting the roof spoiler from eBay, which I'm not so familiar with doing, which getting stuff from eBay. So this is actually like literally the first eBay. Oh no, sorry, I had gotten an intake from eBay, and I didn't like it. I completely threw it away and put the stock back on. Okay, so I had to move the camera a little bit so you guys can see, but that doesn't look bad, right? Not too bad for, you know, an eBay part. That's pretty damn good. Okay, so I couldn't show you guys obviously standing up, so I ended up mocking it up of where I'm going to be placing it. Man, it looks really freaking good. Like, you can really notice this one because look, when I was looking other ones up, the other ones were like just, you know, they would like come out to like right here, like they would start from here and then come out to like only like right here, and then it would just round it off, you know, and I was just kind of like, that's lame. But you can see how this one has this little dip right here and it has it on the other side following over, and it's a lot more aggressive. It's more out there. If I'm gonna have a roof spoiler, you know, I want people to know I'm gonna have a roof spoiler. That's just me though. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for this. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. That. Ow! Oh! That's what those really do. Honestly, it's gonna change the look of the car completely. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so apparently plug and play, so it should be fairly easy. I'm hoping. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the roof spoiler first, just because it's the easiest and fastest. Be using some 3M tape. Obviously, you know, use these for your emblems and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure it won't come off after this, which is gonna be lovely. All right, so let's get to it. Huh? So the camera almost dropped. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that would have been so bad. Okay, so took me a while to like tack it down, just because like it seemed like one side was like a little bit more up than the other. I'm glad I got it. I've always wanted one of these and a diffuser Really makes the car look really nice. Ooh, yeah. Alright, let's get to these tail lights now that we got. Okay, so apparently there's some 10 millimeters right here, right behind the tail lights. So we'll go ahead and get those off. Don't mind the dirtiness back here. Alright, so we got these on. Now let's work our way to the top. Okay, so I finally finished and it was fairly easy, honestly. I just realized that I just make things harder for myself. And you know what? It is what it is. I'm okay with that. I accept myself. But, you ready to see it? Alright, let's show it. It looks so much better now. I'm like ecstatic. Considering the fact that I've been watching these videos for quite a while. Whoa, that was weird. Whoa, that was weird too. Oh no, I'm plugging that battery, be doing stuff. Sketch. Ooh. It looks so good. Oh, that's freaking nice. It makes this look so much different from the back. That booty is on. Oh, that's so dope. So I hope you enjoyed that install. I'm gonna have like a bunch of more stuff still kind of like coming in during this week. I know I said that I was gonna be doing a giveaway. I extended it until another week because I wasn't too sure if anybody was even gonna want it, even though I was gonna just give away for free. So I'm still thinking about it, but I'm probably gonna end up just throwing it out there and giving it away. So anyways, stay tuned for the next one, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. My name is Desmond Simmons, and this is the Lexus IS 250. Cheers!